Our friends in Hawaii, my name is Philip Rulo with Rultract, and as I understand, you do not want to move forward with replacing any of your old equipment, but as I said, I would send information over on what to look for with your clamps as to whether or not we would recommend replacing them. So the first thing that you're going to want to look at is the condition of the handles. Now these handles were originally aluminum with chrome plating, and over time, 25 plus years, that chrome plating does start to flake off, and pieces of that chrome plating could actually be in the tray. So if you have a handle that has flaking of the chrome, then you're going to want to replace that. This is not an extreme example, but nevertheless that should be replaced. I have one that's a little bit more extreme here. Sorry, I can't get it to focus. There you go. So you can see here that it's flaking off pretty significantly. So if you have this, definitely want to remove that from the tray. One last thing, if you could bear with me for another 30 seconds. If your clamp jaws start to look like this, that means they're out of alignment, being used for so many years. And what happens here is they don't get a good purchase on the bed rail. Clamp starts to lean in over the table. So if you have this situation, you would definitely want to consider replacing it as well. Here's an extreme example of jaws being out of alignment, and they hardly even close. So you can see here by the side profile, it's pretty significantly bent. So if your clamp jaws look like that, your retractor is leaning in toward the patient pretty significantly. David, if you're in the OR, you're going to know whether it does or it doesn't, but I'm just showing you what the example would look like. Anyway, that was a little longer than 30 additional seconds. Thank you guys for your time. I appreciate it.